Managing client contracts and documents can be a real headache for businesses, but SuiteDash makes it easy to streamline and automate these processes. In this quick explainer, I'll show you exactly how SuiteDash can help you manage your client contracts and documents without the usual stress. First off, SuiteDash is an all-in-one business management platform, and it's packed with features that can help you organize your client agreements and paperwork efficiently. With SuiteDash, you don't have to worry about hunting through emails or different systems. Everything is stored securely in one place. Next thing to note is the client portal. This is where SuiteDash really shines. You can upload all your client contracts and documents to a centralized, secure location, which your clients can access easily. They can sign documents directly within the platform, which saves you the back and forth emails and paperwork that slow down the process. This means quicker turnaround times and a smoother client experience overall. The third thing is SuiteDash's automation tools. You can set up automated reminders for clients who need to sign or review a document. No more sending repeated follow-up emails. SuiteDash handles it for you, freeing up time for other tasks. Plus, these reminders are customizable, so you can adjust them to suit your needs and your client's timeline. The fourth thing is contract templates. If you find yourself creating the same contracts over and over, SuiteDash has you covered. You can create reusable templates for your client contracts and documents, which you can then quickly modify for each new client. This makes the process faster and ensures consistency across your contracts. The fifth thing is the security SuiteDash offers. Whether you're dealing with sensitive client information or financial agreements, SuiteDash uses encrypted storage to keep everything safe. This is crucial when managing client contracts and documents, especially if you handle confidential or legally binding material. The last thing is the customization SuiteDash offers for document approval workflows. You can set up different approval stages, assign tasks to different team members, and keep track of where each document is in the process. It's a perfect tool for teams working together on contracts or other important documents. Now, while SuiteDash is an excellent choice, it's not perfect for everyone. If you're looking for something with more flexibility or specific document collaboration tools, you might want to explore some alternatives. Some other platforms might have more advanced features in document collaboration or integration with other tools you're already using. Speaking of alternatives, I've got a special bonus for you. Not only have I linked an exclusive and extended free trial for SuiteDash through our link, but I've also included some amazing alternatives that may actually be better for managing your client contracts and documents depending on your needs. These alternatives also come with their own free trials and have some unique benefits that might suit your goals even better. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to viewers of this video. So, don't forget to check out the links below and get started today.